Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is a manifestation of light. You have become the standard, the golden standard. You've become you've become the torch. You become the lighthouse. You've become your way out of your struggles. You can't ask your friend to the left, right. You can't ask your spiritual advisor, your mentor, your college professor. You can't ask anyone the answers that you already know, because all your answers rely deep inside you. So trust your intuition, trust your inner wisdom, because it's glowing and it will lead you out of your wilderness. And the rest of us, we're watching you, Virgo, and we're going to mimic you. So make sure that you do your best to get your top quality, top tier blessings, so we can see, wow, Virgo came and showed up and showed out. Let me mimic them. Let me follow their light. Let me follow their example so I can get my blessings too. I see the beauty within me. I grow and develop my inner self with harmony, with light, and in beauty. I free myself from negativity. My heart transforms to something light and beautiful. Nothing can fight love, a loving heart. It only attracts people, and even your foes. They'll see that you lead with love, will not know how to attack you, and they say, wow, for some reason I want to help you, I want to love you, and I'm going to help you prosper. Therefore, you always win. My intellect shines because you're a genius. Continue to hone in and give your confidence and give yourself confidence or compliments on being a genius, because it's not easy. And my inner light grows and I shine, baby, shine for the world to see. I need you. The world needs you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.